Subscribe now. Xiaomi Redmi 5 smartphone was launched in December 2017. The phone comes with a 5.70-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1440 pixels at a PPI of 282 pixels per inch. The Xiaomi Redmi 5 is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, and it comes with 2 GB of RAM. The phone packs 16 GB of internal storage that can be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Redmi 5 packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Xiaomi Redmi 5 runs Android 7.1.2 and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 151.80 by 72.80 by 7.70 high-text width x thickness, and weigh 157.00 grams. The Xiaomi Redmi 5 is a dual-SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano-SIM and nano-SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.